It's a culturally important plant to the Cherokees called river cane. For years, its population has been threatened to near extinction. But as Cherokee citizen Roger Kane shows us, conservation efforts are the first step in bringing it back.
My name is Roger Kane. I'm from Talcott. I was born and raised in Talcott, Oklahoma. I'm half Cherokee. My Cherokee name is Edo, which means walk around aimlessly. And that's kind of what I do, is walk around hunt for river cane on tribal land. Got into grad school, realized nobody's studying river canes. And so it's like, I think I'll write a proposal. I wrote a proposal in my grad class and then proposed at Cherokee Nation. And in 2012, they decided to go with the River Cane Initiative. It's a plant that's never really been studied. We are in southern Adair County. We're just south of Bell, Oklahoma, and we're in the heart of Cherokee country here. And so we'll go out and we'll physically walk off. It's called ground truthing, where the river cane is, search for it, then we'll GPS it, and then we map it out. And after we get it mapped out and everything, then we're going to go in, we're going to start measuring, keeping data on it. And what the tribe is doing, once we get this data collected, there are no other tribes with this amount of river cane located on their land. And so what we were hoping to do once we get established is to start creating river cane forests once again, like they used to be. Where we are taking back being stewards of our land and saying, hey, we're going to start protecting not only animals, we're going to start protecting plants as well. And this plant is good for the environment. If we start having more river cane along creek banks, the wash off coming off from the fields up above that are, that have cattle, have livestock grazing on them and stuff like that, when it washes off, it filters down through river cane and it filters out so the creeks are cleaner. River cane is part of the bamboo family, and it's been so important to Cherokees. Southeastern people, all Southeastern people use river cane, not just Cherokee. River cane is an endangered species that's good for the environment. It's tough. I mean, it's been here thousands of years. They find it in the bellies of woolly mammoths eating it. And then they find the river cane inside caves in Tennessee, Missouri, miles deep into caves in Ohio with torches made of river cane. I'm doing this for Cherokee people. I'm doing this for this plant. Doing this for our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren. It's doing this because this plant deserves to be protected, needs to be acknowledged for its importance. It protected us, it fed us, it did all sorts of stuff for our people going back thousands of years. That's what this plant did. It doesn't deserve to just die off because we've too modern, we don't need this plant. All we needed it for baskets or blowguns. We need it for more than that. We need it more for the environment. We need it for our history and our culture. Because it is important, because if it wasn't for river cane, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be Cherokees, we wouldn't be Creek, we wouldn't be Chickasaw, we wouldn't be Choctaw, because this plant pretty much made our houses, made our homes, made our life easier, because that was what we used. It's something that we need to keep on exploring with and reading and researching, and not just depending on books, but also what our family stories and also on our experiences with it as well. This plant did us well when our ancestors needed it. Let's do them well now.